So pretty. Be one with nature.
Oh, okay. Damn it, let's do it again. Fine, you're not gonna work with me? You wanna see the
Sure.
your pictures? I believe this is asparagus.
Oh, really?
I think so. What happens when you let it go too long?
You don't get your toe.
This one here is for sure. There's a strawberry on it. Right there.
Oh.
And right there. I'm pretty sure that's a strawberry too though. This is a pretty place.
Be nice for like a wedding or.
Even like engagement photos.
Yeah.
Or possibly like high school senior photos or something. It's beautiful.
It is pretty.
Yeah, just for fun though. It's fun.
Just zoomed in. This is relaxing.
Mm-hmm.
God knows we need all the relaxation we can get.
These days, yeah.
Right?
Tell me about it. Absolutely. See different blows. These trees over here, you see all the broken ones over there?
Oh, yeah.
It's an experiment they're doing. Back, I forget how many years ago, I have to read the plaque, but back so many years ago, an EF4 tornado blew through there and destroyed all those trees over there, took all the tops off the trees.
Holy shit.
And so they're leaving them to see what nature does. And it looks like they're growing back.
Wow. Jurassic Park.
Right. There's a spot in there. When all the trees were dead, I swear it spelled love.
Oh, really?
Like-
oh, you should take a picture.
I did.
Oh, you did? You still have it?
I think I do.
Oh, you should show me
I'll
sometime.
show it to you for sure.
Okay.
But it's like right in that area there, like, do you see the weird like stick that has the 3 points going out like this, backwards?
Yeah.
That was the E.
Oh, really?
And then I think this one right here, like the dead one in front of us, was the L. But I swear, it looked like it was spelling love. I'll have to show it to you.
I can kind of see something. Can you guys see love?
Oh,
This is cool.
There's a sign down there.
Where?
Down this way. If I had the zoom on, I could probably read it.
Can you guys read the sign? I can't. Okay. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful.
Oh my god. The season finale was like, what happened? But it was really good. I swear if that was the last episode forever of that show, I would have been pissed, but I'm so glad there's a second season, because if not, I'd be extremely disappointed. I've already had enough failure for poor endings as it is.
Right?
Like I just read, what did I just read? I just read Zoo.
We're both photographers. It's awesome. Those mofos.
I'll autofocus you myself.
Oops. Oh, sorry. Gotcha. What is this called? Just a dome?
I don't know. There's no name on it. I just call it
The dome.
the dome. Yeah, let's call it the dome.
We're in the dome.
Absolutely. Okay, I just made that up completely. Where's my by mistake?